Welcome back to the Toggled IQ Product Education Series. In this session, you'll learn about the benefits of installation preparation. Prepare for success. Thorough pre-installation prep work ensures optimal system setup, minimized on-site time, reduced likelihood of issues, a high-quality, professional installation. Be sure to follow this pre-installation to-do list. Prepare network installation and configure documents. This includes specification and completion criteria, bill of materials, installation sequence and checklist, and the operations and testing plan. Perform a site walk to identify potential problem areas. Create a network hierarchy. Coordinate all aspects of the installation process, including device delivery, site access, networking and IT infrastructure, expected functionality like controls, scenes, schedules, and timeouts. Secure appropriate Toggled IQ app access for installers. Avoid common prep mistakes. Be sure to specify the optimal devices for your project. For example, the Toggled IQ sensor does not repeat or amplify Bluetooth signals and shouldn't be specified with the intent to do so. If low signal strength is an issue, consider additional hardwired devices as repeaters. Be sure to specify the right quantity of devices. Toggled IQ sensors provide a range of 23 feet from connected devices. Specify enough to cover the desired range. Flag high-risk areas. Thick or uncommon building wall materials may require additional device placements to amplify signals. Be sure to flag walls made of concrete, brick, and other heavy building materials. HVAC components located near devices may affect temperature measurement features or occupancy events. Prior to installation day, be sure the following prerequisites are met. Power source is secured and accessible at the desired location. 120 VAC or as appropriate. Make sure the electrical panel is not located behind locked doors. Strong cellular or Wi-Fi data connection is confirmed. Installation team has an admin account via the Toggled IQ app. Confirm the installation team is properly skilled and trained to set up and commission the Toggled IQ system. Devices should only be installed by properly trained, skilled, licensed, and certified personnel following all applicable codes, standards, and regulations. Installers must follow best practices and all Toggled IQ user, configuration, and installation instructions. The Toggled IQ 4-level network hierarchy. Organization. This is the top level in the system. It's your company, campus, or facility. For example, ABC manufacturing plant. The organization contains all networks, users, and system settings. Networks are groups of devices that communicate via Toggled IQ optimized Bluetooth low energy mesh. A network typically represents a building, floor, wing, or major area inside the organization. For example, production floor. Areas. An area usually represents a room or functional zone. Example, conference room A or assembly station line 3. Devices that work together in the same space define an area. Devices are individual Toggled IQ hardware like lights, switches, and sensors. Devices are the actual equipment you'll install. For example, LED tube number 1 or wall switch. The Toggled IQ Gateway is a special communication device that connects your network to the cloud. It also enables remote access and monitoring. Access and control. Administrators have full control. They can create, configure, control, and delete. Users have limited control. They can only operate lights as configured by an administrator. Pre-installation planning. You can build your network hierarchy before going to the job site. Plan your areas based on control needs. Room level control, 1 area per room. Fixture level control, 1 area per fixture for multiple tubes in one fixture. Zone level control, 1 area per lighting zone. Hierarchy example. The top level in the system is the organization. Networks typically represent a building, wing, floor, or major area. Areas usually represent a room or functional zone. Devices are individual toggled IQ hardware, in this case, lights. App setup. 1. Create the organization. Note that users with access to an organization will see all networks within that organization. 2. Create the network. 3. Create areas in the network to design and define the grouping of devices based on your control strategies. If desired, pre-configure areas with their expected functionality. For example, vacancy timeout or trim. Any device added to an area automatically inherits the area's settings. 4. Add devices. 5. Invite users by email address. Add first and last name to the new invitee. Assign a role to each new user. Testing and verification. After installation, perform system acceptance tests to confirm that all components are working. These tests may include test communications and connectivity. Make sure that all devices respond. Test the toggled IQ gateway if applicable. Thank you for completing this session. We hope you better understand the benefits of installation preparation. Let's test your knowledge.